Hello lovely people. In today's video, we'll show you how to make fish cutlet. The ingredients are 2 mackerels or any fleshy fish, 2 chopped onions that are large in size, 2 chopped green chilies, a bowl of chopped coriander, breadcrumbs, 1 egg yolk, a quarter teaspoon of pepper powder, cumin seeds or jeera powder, haldi or turmeric powder and red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, juice from half a lemon and oil for frying. Let's start with cleaning the fish. You can use any fish that is fleshy. We have used mackerel, but you can also use tuna, sardines, etc. Now cut the fish and add salt to it. Add this to the pan with some water. Cover it and let it cook for 5 minutes. Transfer the fish to another bowl and let it cool. Separate the bones from the fish. This is why it's important to choose a fleshy fish with less bones. Check for any extra bones. Mash the fish a little. We now have to fry the chopped onions. Add some salt. Add the 2 chopped chilies. Let's make the breadcrumbs. Take 4 slices of bread. Break them into smaller parts and add it to the mixer. Now grind it. These are all the main ingredients that we need. Breadcrumbs that we just made, fried onions and chilies, 1 egg yolk without the egg white, chopped coriander leaves, and the mashed fish. Add the fried onion chili mix to the fish and mix it well. A quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder, a quarter teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, quarter teaspoon of haldi powder, quarter teaspoon of chilli powder, add the egg yolk, but don't use the egg white. Add the chopped coriander leaves. Squeeze half a lemon into the mix. Add a spoon of breadcrumbs to the mix. Take a little of the mix and shape it to the way you prefer. Now coat it with the breadcrumbs. You can also use rava instead of breadcrumbs. Add them to the heated oil in the pan. This is set 2. We made 20 fish cutlets from 2 mackerels.